Mind mapping is a visual thinking technique that helps you organize your thoughts and ideas in a non-linear way. By connecting concepts and information through a central theme, mind maps can stimulate creativity, problem-solving, and learning. How to create a mind map. Choose a central theme. This is the main idea or topic you want to explore. Branch out. From the central theme, draw branches to represent the main ideas related to it. Create sub-branches. For each main branch, add sub-branches to represent more specific details or subtopics. Use images and keywords. Incorporate images, symbols, or keywords to make your mind map more visually appealing and memorable. Connect ideas. Use lines or arrows to show relationships between different ideas. Benefits of mind mapping. Stimulates creativity. By visually organizing your thoughts, mind mapping can help you generate new ideas and connections. Improves problem solving. By breaking down complex problems into smaller components, mind maps can aid in finding solutions. Enhances learning. Mind maps can help you visualize information and make it easier to understand and remember. Facilitates brainstorming. By encouraging free-flowing thought, mind maps are ideal for group brainstorming sessions. Promotes organization. Mind maps can help you organize your thoughts and ideas in a clear and concise manner. Tips for effective mind mapping. Keep it visual. Use colors, images, and symbols to make your mind map visually appealing and engaging. Start simple. Begin with a few main branches and gradually add more details as needed. Be flexible. Allow your mind map to evolve as your ideas develop. Use mind mapping software. Consider using mind mapping software like MindMeister, Coggle, or XMind for a more structured and collaborative approach. Review and refine. Regularly review your mind map and make adjustments as necessary. By incorporating mind mapping into your creative process, you can unlock your full potential and achieve greater success in your endeavors.